everyone, welcome to the One Source PH. In this video, we're gonna talk about the factors that are affecting weather and climate. But before anything else, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever we post new videos like this. So let's go ahead and discuss the factors that are affecting weather and climate. So what are the factors affecting weather and climate? We have temperature. So temperature is actually a measure of the how hot or cold a place may be, and this is related to the amount of energy that is present in the area, which affects the place and affects the water cycle, affects the temperature of the ocean. So temperature and energy are related, and hence it's a big factor that affects weather and climate. Air pressure, all right? So we hear the news about low pressure and high pressure. This has meanings because it is related to the characteristic of the air, if it is containing high moisture or humidity, and so on and so forth. So later on, we will discuss more about how air pressure affects weather and climate. Next is humidity. This is the measure of the amount of water vapor that is present in our atmosphere. So later on, as I've said, we are going to ponder on and discuss more about humidity. The next factor that affects weather is altitude. So altitude is the height of the place above the sea level. And we know that pressure changes with the altitude, and therefore temperature changes with the altitude. Latitude is the location of the place in with respect to the equator, and since the Earth is tilted, so some parts of the Earth is not directly exposed to the sun, and hence latitude has a big factor, is a contributing factor uh, that causes differences to weather patterns and climate in a specific region. Distance from bodies of water. All right, so just like the desert, which is very far from a body of water, so it is affected by the amount of precipitation, because it took so long for the clouds that brings rain to reach these places. Hence, there's little precipitation, and by then, weather is affected. Landforms. All right. So if a place has a lot of mountains, you are going to expect that it will be able to cool down easily, because mountains are always attributed with its vegetation. Hence, it can cool down the air that passes through it, and hence precipitation may occur. All right. So because water vapor will condense as it passes through these cool areas, and um, air masses is tend to push upward. Okay, so there you go. So as it moves upward, the pressure is changing, and there is a change also in temperature, and it can trigger precipitation. That's why landforms are also a factor that alter weather patterns. Next is the amount and type of precipitation. And this is very obvious, since the type of precipitation usually dictates if it is solid, liquid, if it is cold or not. So these factors are related to one another. So thank you for listening. These are the factors that are um, affecting our weather and climate. So stay tuned for the next video for the continuation of this lecture. See you once again in the One Source PH. Please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever we post videos like this. Bye bye guys. See you next time.